Hello, all of you. Good morning. I am Professor Guru Prasad. Welcome to the world of economics. I am starting this series called Economics for Everyone with a purpose to spread economic literacy. Economics as a subject, as a domain, is not confined to be as a special knowledge within the four walls of classroom. It is something which what a famous statement says, economics travels from you from cradle to grave. Economics starts from your birth and travels with you along the journey in your life until your death. It's very important. Economics affects our every day-to-day life. From the day you start deciding which school you want to join, from the day you start deciding which higher education career you want to choose it, which job you want to decide, on the day when you decide what kind of investment you want to make in the markets, even on the day you decide what kind of partner you want it. From the day where you decide what you talk about, decide your own leaders to vote for a new government, to the end of your life where you decide what kind of medical facilities you can afford to take care of your health. Thus, economics forms an important part of your life. So, it is important to understand today wherever you go, whether jobs, interviews, group discussions, debates, conferences, interviews in media, write-ups in newspapers, all about the basic idea of economics, which influences everything. So it is important to understand. Often we are dealt in a condition that we don't understand the higher level of analysis. So I'm just starting with a set of concepts and discussions in this Economics for Everyone series of video lectures to educate you, impart you some basic foundations knowledge of economics, and then take you over a period of time various higher levels of economic analysis. Let us start with saying where does this origin of economic analysis starts? Human beings have many wants. The fundamental activity to satisfy material needs is known as economic activity. To be specific, any endeavor which try to satisfy the production, distribution, consumption of goods and services is known as economic activity. It is interesting to see that why to study economics as a subject. In their early days of existence, human beings never had to unduly worried about the preservation of what you call it as limitation of what you call utilization of resources. As population increased, as their desires multiplied, it is become relevant and the realization was they need to have utilize the limited resources for their ever increasing desires or wants. Hence, the whole idea of what you call the call for the limited utilization of limited resources for unlimited wants, which called upon to have and use of efficient utilization of resources. Now, this limited utilization or what you call utilization of limited resources is not only the problem of individual, it is for organizations and society at large, even governments which govern the country. It would not be a problem had it not been the case if we have unlimited resources. Economics is thus a field of study which deals with how individual collectively or individually deals with utilization of resources to satisfy their unlimited wants. Thank you.